Hi, welcome to Technique Tuesday. As we promised, I'm going to show you how to use our amazing Bowmaker. I love this because it's transportable. Basically, you can just pop it down. I keep mine with a rubber band around it and I keep it in my tote for travel. You take it out, you just pop your two pegs into the holes, choosing whichever ones you want, depending on how big a bow you want. Then to do your bow, you sit your thumb on the left post. Leave a bit of a tail because you're going to need enough to tie your bow. So leave that quite long, and then take the ribbon through between the pegs to the back. And then what we're going to do is start doing a figure of 8. So carefully wrapping the ribbon around, forming a figure of 8. So you're going back behind, coming forward. And when you've got even loops, so if you move the two tails out of the way, you can count 3 loops on that side, 3 loops on this side. Then you're ready to tie. I'm going to do 4 because I've got the space on my ribbon to do 1 more. So there I now got 4 loops. Poke the little tail back behind from the left pole. Then wrap around, holding the right tail at the back because you want to kind of center the bridge to the bow. Push the left one in underneath again, and now I'm going to turn it around to show you. All I do is tie a double knot. You can poke another thread, decorative thread through here if you want to, like a metallic cord or something, and tie it into the bridge of your bow. Once you get to that point, you slip it off the posts, and there is your bow. The reason you do a figure of 8 is so the loops don't slip down within each other, so my bow will always sit with all the little loops out. Now to colour this, you can colour your ribbon before. You can choose coloured ribbon. I love the seam binding because I can colour it to match any project that I'm doing. And if I use the same stains, inks, paints, distress of course, to colour it in my project, then I will end up with matching project, matching bows, matching flowers, etc. This has got like a sponge dauber top, so all you do is press down to ignite it and the colour will start to pop out of the bottle. Just keep popping it down onto the bow until you've got it all coloured. It's a little bit harder to colour it when it's folded, but I like the effect because you get almost like a shadow where the knot's tightest. You can also spritz it with a bit of water, you can run it in a straight line, and then once I've got this done, I love to spray a bit of the Perfect Pearl mist over the top. So just about got this done. Obviously then you'd let it dry before putting it on top of your parcel. But that's basically how I do it. When you open it out, if there's any little white spaces, I just go back in. I love the daubers because you can just aim it exactly where you want it. But the Pearl Mist spray will add a real gleam to it. Then take your box, which you've made using the gift box punch board, and look at that, you're good to go. Woohoo! So that's Technique Tuesday for this week. Join us again next week. Thanks for that. Bye.